got so much fucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it come. I got 3 whole thoughts on the block. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Hello everyone, my name is Setio Catur Nugroho, number name 2321-0028. On this occasion, I will read one text with the title, The Civil Engineering Surges as UK House Building Hits New Lows. Happy watching! The UK construction sector is undergoing a significant transformation, with growth and decline occurring simultaneously across its subsector. While commercial and civil engineering projects have experienced robust expansion, residential house building is grappling with a step downturn. November 2024 marked a notable divergence as the S&P Global Orchids UK Construction PMI rose to 55.2, indicating overall sector growth. However, house building continued its decline, driven by high borrowing costs and a lack of consumer confidence. The boom in civil engineering, fueled by renewable energy and infrastructure projects, offers hope for sustained sector growth. Meanwhile, the housing markets struggle raise pressing questions about the UK's ability to meet government targets and address an acute housing shortage. The contrasting trend in UK construction. The UK construction sector is experiencing a significant trend contrast. On one hand, the robust demand in commercial and civil engineering projects has propelled the industry forward. On the other, the residential construction subsector is witnessing its steepest decline since June 2024. The S&P Global Orchids Construction PMI for November reflects this device, while the overall PMI climbed to 55.2. House building fell to 47.9, firmly in construction territory. The numbers highlight a stark reality. Commercial construction has expanded at its fastest pace since mid-2022, bolstered by the reopening of office space and increased investment in retail infrastructure. Civil engineering similarly has benefited from high-profile renewable energy projects and strong government backing for infrastructure development. In contrast, residential construction struggles have exposed vulnerability in the UK housing market. Elevated interest rates have made mortgages less affordable, dampening demand and leaving construction firms wary of initiating new housing projects. Challenge facing the residential construction sector. The decline in residential construction is symptomatic of larger economic pressure. High borrowing costs following successive interest rate hikes have significantly reduced the accessibility of mortgages. Potential homeowners are being priced out of the market, leading to reduced demand for new homes. Consumer confidence has also played a pivotal role in the downturn, with inflation concern persisting and economic growth projection set subdued. Many are hesitant to invest in property. Builders are responding cautiously, delaying of scaling down new development in the face of uncertain returns. These factors have not only impacted housing supply but also strained the government's broader housing objective. Residential builders report a slump in new orders, reflecting the hesitation of buyers and the challenge posed by financial constraints. Government housing targets at risk. The UK government ambitious target to build 1.5 million homes by the end of the Syrian parliament is under significant threat. This equates to an annual requirement of 300,000 new homes, a goal that has proven elusive in recent years. The steep, the steep decline in house building activity exacerbates this challenge. Estimates suggest that fewer than 221,000 homes were completed in the past year, a shortfall of nearly 80,000 homes against the annual target. Factors such as high borrowing costs, increased material price, and workforce shortages have contributed to slow progress. Beyond numerical target, the lack of housing supply the tangible implication for community across the UK. A constrained housing market, fueled rising rents and property price, further lending for first-time buyer and low-income family. If the trend continues, it risks compounding the UK's housing crisis with long-term economic and social repercussions. To address this, the government must consider pulled measures such as spending incentive for house building, reforming planning regulation, and introducing targets financial support for first-time buyers. Without the safe action, the gap between target and reality may widen, leaving millions without adequate housing options. The broader impact of interest rates on construction. The Bank of England monetary policy decisions have cast a long shadow over the construction sector. After a period of consecutive rate hike, the recommendation to hold interest rates steady in November brought some relief to the industry. However, the effect of past rate increase continued to reverberate, particularly within the residential construction subsector. Higher borrowing costs have dampened demand for mortgages, directly impacting house-building activity. Builders face rising financing expansion, making it less economically viable to initiate new projects. Additionally, the uncertainty surrounding future rate cues has left both developers and buyers in a holding pattern. Reaction to commit until greater stability is evident. In the commercial and civil engineering domains, the impact of interest rate has been less pronounced. Long-term infrastructure investment often rely on public funding or corporate finance that are less sensitive to short-term rate fluctuation. However, if borrowing costs remain elevated for an extended period, the load begin to affect this project as well, especially in sectors like renewable energy that require significant upfront capital. The UK construction sector stands at a crossroads with opportunity for growth and challenge to overcome. The commercial and civil engineering subsector are poised to continue their strong performance, sustained by investment in renewable energy infrastructure, urban development projects, and government-led initiatives. These areas represent a beacon of stability and growth amidst the broader economic uncertainty. However, the residential construction sector outlook remains uncertain. Builders face ongoing pressure from high material costs, sluggish housing market, and waning consumer confidence. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.